Welcome back to our channel. How are you doing? Mom just got a new toy called Crumb Cake Maker. She's so excited to play with that. So she tested 2 recipes for waffles, and this is the best recipe. You can make rolled butter cookies, or you could roll the cookies into the ice cream cones. Okay, let's get started. Now let's start with the ingredients first. Mom really wants healthier cookies for us to crunch on every time we're bored. So she used a recipe that used half of almond flour and half of all-purpose flour. If you don't like which kind of flour, be your own way to substitute for the other. It's up to your choice. The list of the ingredients will be in the description below. It's easy recipe. Just mix all of the wet ingredients, include egg whites and melted butter, in a medium bowl. After that, mix all of the dry ingredients, include 2 kinds of flours and powdered sugar, in a big mixing bowl, and mix all wet and dry together until all combine. Do not overmix the batter. If you use all-purpose flour, add 2 spoons of vanilla extract. But if you use almond flour, Mom prefers to omitting that. This is Mom's new toy. She loves it so much. It's called Crumb Cake Maker. It has 2 color levels from 2 to 6 to control how much darkness you will want your cookies look like. Yeah. After plenty of experiments herself, she figures out almost level 3 is the best. But you must remember to look for the baking and ready lights. The ready light takes a bit longer than the baking light. The second thing to help you roll a perfect roll is the sticks Mom used, 2 long barbecue sticks. Tie one side to another type to make it look like a chopstick. The longer it is, the easier you roll. With the batter, Mom prefers the soup spoon. Just scoop 1/3 to 1/2 spoon is a perfect size for the cookies or cones or wafers. The more batter you scoop in, the more time you cook. Keep it in mind that isn't it easy, right?
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down.
It's time to test our cones. It's always a fun part that we're waiting for. It is crunchy and buttery, fresh homemade cone we ever wished for. Yeah. Now let's start another favorite flavors, chocolate. Who doesn't like chocolate as a kid like us? My older sister. Ha ha ha. She liked the almond kind more. Oh well, it's fine. So we have the less competitioners to fight. Ha 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 ha. With the same method, the same ingredients, but instead of only flour, you omit 10 grams regular flour for cocoa powder. Mix separately for the dry and wet ingredients. After that, mix all together to make the batter. Again, do not over mix. Oh, forgot to tell you, roll immediately when it's hot. Don't wait. It'll be crispy then when it cools. After you roll it and hold the sticks for around 2 minutes, it will be easier to take out when it's cooled down. Then hot and it keeps the shape too. And if you want different shapes like wafer balls, use a cupcake cup. Turn the cup over and place the wafer while hot to cover the upside down cup. It is easier than press wafer into the mold. With this recipe, the wafers could be used to make cones substantial enough to hold ice cream. For a festive occasion, let the family roll their own cones and try filling while still warm for a softer ice cream. Some may want to serve a flat wafer too.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong.
Crumb kit wafers make a wonderful crisp cookie wafer that could be used to garnish ice cream, parfait, or puddings. Simply cut wafer into 4 triangles while it is warm. Cool and dry the triangles on the rack and store in the sealed container. Alright guys, that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time with us. See you next time. Bye! And also enjoy the food. Thank you.